All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber, out here with Aaron Manley, actually, and we're gonna talk about the salt box. Actually, this is a side project that we're building actually for my sister, so we're gonna go inside, take a look at this, but you can see still under construction here, the board batten siding, the sliding door, but an interesting salt box. And Aaron, take it away, tell us about this board batten siding. Aaron, actually, what she does is, obviously handles the sales and the design work, and put together things. But Aaron, go ahead and share with us this board batten siding.
This board batten is textured white. It is 26 gauge metal, so stronger, you know, don't have, because of the ribs, you can push in. It's a lot stronger metal. It is
What's the width of that?
10 inches reveal.
10-inch reveal. Okay. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Very
Anything
easy to put it on, and
easy to put it on, yeah. Anything else you want to tell us about it, or?
so it just gives it a really nice look that's really popular right now.
Yeah. What kind of guarantee is there on that? Do you know? The board batten siding?
The board batten. We have a warranty on the paint of it. Is a 40-year warranty on the paint.
Yeah, 40-year paint chalk fade guarantee. But yeah, if you check this out here, you can see still in progress here, but I wanted to kind of give you an idea here. A rainy day project. Thank you, Aaron. But you can see right here, check out the AZEK trim we're doing up top there on that plexiglass, and then we'll put a black trim piece on top there. But you can see a nice slider door here, and then on the back side of this, so this is actually for my sister, so she wanted something to put beside her pool. So we said, okay, all right, let's get this thing done right here. So you can see we're actually putting steel, a gray steel on the back side of this board batten salt box. All right. Actually, not gray, but it's actually a white. Take that back there. So you can see as we walk around here. But look at the aesthetics of the design of that. See how it slopes up, slopes down there, and we're going in here, and actually sister here, we said, hey Janelle, if you want to use something, so you can see the lumber here, how we did this, we put together these 2x6s, replied, you can see, well, maybe lumber. We said, Janelle, you gotta use, we're gonna use up, not scraps, but you know, this lumber, so you can see here. And then the drip stop actually on the metal, so this gives you an idea of what you can get done here. Have a nice pool shed, and obviously we're going to take care of my sister here and make it right. So this is how it's done. All right, so salt box, pool shed, and we're getting this thing done here on a rainy, inclement day right here at the home office here at Attica Lumber. So, all right, and then let me show you right here. We walk right out of here. So, again, these are custom builds, and again, we do a lot of 9x18 sheds, but occasionally, depending on inclement weather days and depending on the season, we're coming in the winter time, we will knock out some of these projects, more custom projects, but normally a post-frame pole building company. So, hopefully this gives you some ideas, spurs the imagination, but comments are always welcome. Like the video, boom, thumbs up. Until the next one, keep it locked and loaded right here. Attica Lumber since 1925.